Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, as you can see, this is another video of our trip to the apple garden. And right now we're actually on our way to our home. So we decided to walk because first of all, it was a very sunny day. Second of all, the road was completely clear, no cars or no bicycles. Third of all, basically it's healthy for you to walk. So that's why right now we're walking towards our home. And okay, there is one or two cars. And this is a small narrow path which leads to people's summer houses. As you can see, there are plenty of summer houses. And there are a lot of trees surrounded by the summer houses. They look really nice. So basically, so you can see like this whole apple garden area is covered in tall trees, tall green fancy trees, and the trees also look very healthy. And this is a farm, as you can see. And there are even more like taller trees in front of the farm. Today the weather is also really nice. It was like 32 degrees, which was really good. The clouds in the sky looked very beautiful. So we are walking. Just look how beautiful the road looks. I mean, who wouldn't think it looks beautiful? Who doesn't? Beautiful. This is some sort of different breeds of tree. As you can see, there are different types of tree here, such as thick and tall, short and thick, and tall and thin trees as well. And the trees, all of the trees have green leaves because, obviously it's summer. They can't have yellow leaves. Also very clear and it looks really nice. As you can see in front of us, our moms are going. So aesthetic. And so this is a very tall tree. As you can see, we're surrounded by green trees. It's also very good for your eyes to look at nature because, it's just really good. And our friend is walking ahead of us. As you can see, there are a few summer houses as well. Like, many people come here for summer vacations and they just rest here for 1 month and then they go back to their city. Because after all, this is a sort of a village, or you can call it a village. And there are a lot of beautiful flowers, as you can see. Pretty flowers. And our friend is still walking ahead of us. He's very fit. Anyways, there are a lot of whole grains as well. And as you can see, there are some cars passing by. Because obviously so apparently I've heard that there's like a beach. Or no, never mind. There's a beach in front of us, but we're not gonna go there because we wanted to go home and we were pretty tired. So yeah, so we kids, we actually went ahead of our parents because our little friend, he kept running away from us, so we had to catch him. So yeah. And then, as you can see, here's a small summer house. I've noticed that most of the Swedish summer houses are usually like red and white. I don't know why, but maybe they just think it's very aesthetic for the forest, I guess. This is a really pretty summer house. I'm telling you, all the summer houses here are like so well decorated and designed. Like, they will literally look like actual houses even though they're just summer houses. But it's very easy for like robbery and stuff, so. Right now we're going into a forest, as you can see. Yeah, so I don't think there are any dangerous animals in this forest, so that's a good thing. I mean, the only animal I saw was a goose, like back in the beach, so yeah. The scenario is just really nice. It's a very relaxing place, so many people like to visit here, especially like for a walk like what we're doing. I wonder where the cars are going though. And yeah, this is a forest. As you can see, there's like a small narrow path to like go deeper into the forest. But obviously we're not gonna go into a forest. And yeah, we're just walking. I've heard that there are many types of insects in Sweden. Like one day I really wanna go in the forest and search for them. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a lot of forests and a lot of trees and a lot of berries as well. I saw a few berries, but I was afraid that they might be poisonous, so I didn't try them. You know me, I don't try random berries unless they're like in the supermarket. So we're going forward. I think we need to go to a bus stop in order to go home, so we're getting closer to the bus stop. Congrats to us. And this is a beautiful yellow summer villa, I guess you can say. As you can see, it looks literally so pretty. And yeah. So right now we're going down like a small hill, you can say. And it's just so aesthetic and relaxing, this area. I really recommend this place. So yeah. This is another yellow villa. As you can see, people bring their cars with them in the village because I guess they're lazy sometimes. And all of them, I swear, all the villas here, they have like at least one backyard. And the fact that this villa is right in front of a lake, the people are so lucky. They can literally just go swimming in like any time. So we're getting closer to our bus stop. Look at this beautiful purple flower. Literally, look how pretty it looks. still walking. The walk was pretty long, but it wasn't tiring because the road, as you can see, the road is very straight. And right now we're just going down, which is making our lives easier. That is another villa. It's white. Usually the colors of villa in Sweden are white, gray, yellow, or red. Yeah. I've heard that there are also like deers in the forest. Not deer, sorry, my bad. Deer in the forest. So sometimes they might jump out and scare people, but they usually do that at night, so we're not going to see any deers. I don't think so, at least. So as you can see, the weather is still very sunny, and as you can see, a few people are also cycling, which is very aesthetic. Plus, it's good for your health. And yeah, it's just basically there. As you can see, there are several villas, and they are all like very pretty. They all have a backyard, and they all have also like greenhouses for like plants. Basically, people in Sweden love planting. So yeah. Yeah. So this is. I think this is like a farmhouse. Yeah, it's a farmhouse. And this is a farmhouse, and I think it's for like horses. Yeah, it's for horses, and as you can see, the house is very big because it's for horses, and horses usually rest inside it. They're probably resting right now because I don't see any horses outside. And on our left-hand side is also a small farmhouse. And as you can see far away, there's a yellow villa. As I told you earlier, all of the villas here are either yellow, white, or red. This is a cute forest-themed villa, an entrance gate. And as you can see, my mom and I and our friends, we were waiting right over there, and my dads are coming towards them. So we have actually we reached the high road, and now we have to walk a bit more to the right to reach the bus stop, and then we can go home. Yay! Look how pretty it looks. Doesn't it look unreal? Sweden is literally such a beautiful place. But yes, as you can see, we're on our way. We're literally on our way to the bus stop. And you can sort of realize that we're on the high road. And our little friend is going in front of us. Like, he's on a small scooter, so that's why he's very fast. The problem is that he keeps running away, so we always have to catch up to him. Yeah, so we're still walking in the high road. And as you can see, that is another summer house, yet that is a way bigger one, and it has bigger backyard. You can see their backyard is literally covered in apple trees. They're pretty lucky, if I'm honest. Look, backyard in their houses. People must be living their life there. But anyways, that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.